smiling?
In this envelope will tell us whether we're having a Noah or a Caitlin. A little boy or a little girl.
Noah.
All right. Now read it to each other. Just
You get that side.
read it quietly, and then you guys can tell Mommy and
In
Daddy.
your head. I know you like to read out loud. I always do.
There should be a pictures, and then she circled it and wrote what it is, I think. No, honey, I think it's in the pictures.
Oh, here. Here's the pictures. Okay.
I see one smile. Somebody knows. Are you guys going to tell us? Okay, say it at the same time. Say, it's a...
1, 2.
No, you see.
No, you tell
You
us.
tell us. I want you guys to tell us.
1, 2, 3. It's a girl.
It is?
Wow.
I was about to cry.
Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Are you excited, Jacob?
You guys are going to have a little sister.
Okay, I'm hoping for a boy.